Mrs. White students are making school spirit packs. They have 24 bumper stickers and 8 window clings. Every pack must have the same contents, and there should be no leftover items. What is the greatest number of packs they can make? So what's our key word here? Greatest. So what are we looking for? The greatest common factor. So over here, I'm going to write GCF. Now what's our label? What are we looking for? The greatest number of packs. So, what are the two numbers that we have? We have 24 bumper stickers and 18 window clings. What can I divide 24 and 18 by, Bree? 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Since we're finding the GCF, we only need what? The 6, okay? So, how many packs can we make? 6. Sandy bought 2 pieces of wood in lengths of 24 inches and 20 inches. She needs to cut the wood into pieces of equal length. What is the greatest possible length of the pieces? So, what's our key word here? Greatest. So what are we looking for? The GCF. And what's our label? The greatest what? Greatest length of the pieces. You could have just put the greatest length and that would have been fine, okay? But it's not the greatest pieces, it's the greatest length. You're looking for how long these pieces are. So we've got 24 and 20. And what can we divide 24 and 20 by? 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Can I go any farther? No. So, what is the greatest length of the pieces? 4. Now, what was the units? Inches. 4 inch is how long those pieces should be. Okay? All right, number 10. A box of chocolate chip cookies holds 24 cookies. A box of peanut butter cookies holds 12 cookies. A group of students share the cookies in each box. Each student got an equal number of chocolate chip and peanut butter cookies from each box. What is the greatest number of students there could be in this group? So what are we looking for? What's our key word here? Greatest. So what are we looking for? And what's our label? Greatest number of students. So we have 24 and we have 12. What can I divide 24 and 12 by? 24 divided by 12 is 12 divided by 12 is, can I go any farther? So, how many students can be in the group? 12. Now, Justin said he put cookies, okay? Now, y'all, you've got to go back and see if your answer makes sense. It asks us, what is the greatest number of students there could be in this group? Always go back and make sure that your answer makes sense. Okay? Always look in the question. It should give you the label in the question. Okay? Always just go back and check your work. Now, if we have 24 and 12, could we have started with 2? We could have. It doesn't matter. As long as you can divide by that number, you should still wind up with the same GCF. All right? You just may have more steps. Number 11. Beginning at 8:30 a.m., tours of the National Capitol and the White House begin at a tour agency. Tours for the National Capitol leave every 15 minutes. Tours for the White House leave every 20 minutes. How often do these tours leave at the same time? So, if we're looking for the same time, I want to know, is it the greatest number or the least number? I want to know the least. So I'm looking, and I want to know the same time. So I want to know, what is my time given to me here in?
15
In minutes. Every so many minutes, okay? So we've got 20 and we've got 15. What can I divide 20 and 15 by?
5.
15 divided by 5 is
3.
20 divided by 5 is
4.
4. Now, we're looking for the LCM, so what do I have to do? Make my big old bubble L, okay? So I've got 5 times 3 times 4, okay? What is 4 times 3? Remember, community property, I can do it however I want to. What's 4 times 3? 12 times 5 is 60. So how often are they going to be at the same time? Every what?
60 minutes.
Every 60 minutes. What's another way we can name 60 minutes?
1 hour.
1 hour. Both of those answers are correct, y'all. Okay? It doesn't matter how you put that. Okay? Number 12. A local radio station is having a contest in which every 12th caller receives a recently released CD and every 20th caller receives 4 free tickets to an upcoming concert. Which caller will be the first to receive both prizes? So what's our keyword here?
Both.
First. Y'all, we want to know the first. That's the lowest, the first. So what are we looking for here? The least common multiple, because we're looking for the first, the lowest. Now, what's our label? The first what?
5. 12.
Which caller will be the first to receive both prizes?
Receive.
Caller. I want to know which caller. I want to know which caller. So we've got 12 and 20. What can I divide 12 and 20 by?
4.
12 divided by 4 is
3.
20 divided by 4 is
5.
LCM means I've got to what?
Least common. L.
Make my L. So I have 4 times 3 times 5. What's 4 times 3? 12 times 5 is 60. So which caller is going to get both prizes? 60th caller. Number 13. A boy has 20 yellow marbles and 16 blue marbles. He wants to give each of his friends the same marbles without having any left over. What is the greatest number of friends he can give marbles to? So what's our key word here? Greatest. And so what are we looking for? GCF. And what's my label? The greatest what?
More number of
Friends. And my numbers are 20. What can I divide 20 and 16 by?
4.
And I get what?
5.
So how many friends can he share with? 4. All right, I want you to start working on number 14. I want you to work on 14 through 20, and then we're going to go over those.